guys, today I wanna review my album from NCT Dream, Glitch Mod. And this album I've got, I don't know, it's like postcard. So it's my bias, you know, you know. And I've got ticket, sticker and ticket, and I've got a poster. Look, hey, where's my boyfriend? It's me here. Is my boyfriend's here. And bye bye.
I just had to let you know you're